You can barely see it, but it's right over there. There. You can just barely see the top of it. I can see right through that fence, but it's kind of hard with this screen. Sorry, guys. You'll probably see in a minute. There you go. You can barely see more of it. There you go. Oh, there it goes. Backing up. Like I said, you can see more of it.